Hi kids, welcome back to our channel Kids Edworld TV. Today we are going to practice letter J with the help of standing line, sleeping line and a curved line. So let us start practicing the letter with the color black. So we are drawing a standing line and then a curved line and sleeping line at the top. J. The phonic sound is J, jug, J for jug. So let us practice the letter once again. We are drawing a standing line, curved line, and then a sleeping line with the help of color red, J, J. So let us practice the letter once again. Let us select the color pink. Let us draw a standing line and then a curved line at the bottom, and then a sleeping line, juice, J. Let's practice the letter once again. Let us take the color green, light green. Draw a standing line, a curved line at the bottom, and a sleeping line, jar, j. Let us practice the letter once again. Let us trace the letter with the color yellow. Draw a standing line, curved line, and then a sleeping line, jam, j. Children, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as well. Please follow our channel for more such videos. Tata, bye bye.